everyone, welcome back to Zanele Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 31st of October to the 4th of November 2022 on Monday. Mazet wants the truth from Sondo, but can Sondo tell the whole truth? Miss Biela succumbs to temptation. The past is too overwhelming for Mazet. It must stay in the past. Tati and Pretty get Mazet curious about Mampele's word. Sizwe enlist in Togozo in helping Zaza. Pretty learns there is a high expectation for her new performances on Wednesday. Chiamo says she wants to do crime stories from the streets, but Teddy objects. Sizwe is convinced Miss Biela is driving a stolen car on Thursday. Sibonga meets the barrel of a gun on his first day back on the gig. Mazet remains conflicted about her identity, but Zibuko encouraged her to dig deep on Friday. Mabuyasa shocks the association members when he nominates an unlikely candidate to join them. Zaza wants an easy way out of exams. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello.